What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Funique Services. This is part 2 to our handheld humidifier fan video. As you can see, the brand is OTLONPE. This is a handheld humidifier fan. It's got strong wind capabilities, long endurance, and provides clean air. So like we opened it up before in the last video, this time we are actually going to fill it up with some water. As you can see, we ended up getting the light blue or turquoise color. So these are your little light settings for your different fan speeds and for your indicators for when you're charging it. You get your power button, and this is to start the spray for the mist. We'll have to take this off first. And back here, this is the opening for the reservoir for the water. And once we get the water in there, you can even set it straight up and down like so, or have it standing up. So let's go get some water in this, guys. As you can see, now we have some water in here. Let's test it out, guys. Let's do it this way so I'm not blowing it on my stuff, right? Power on. Yep. And it works. There we go, guys. I do believe that it works. Well, that being said, this has been our handheld humidifier fan. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you guys want us to see next, and we'll see you all later.